Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about Wings Financial Credit Union. They have a huge up to $450 checking and savings bonus. This is a nationwide offer available to people in all 50 states, and there is zero direct deposit requirement for this bonus. So this is a huge bonus. I am a huge fan of Wings Financial. Seems like I make a video for them every month. Why? Because they keep paying people to become members, and that's like what this channel is all about. So before we jump into anything else, quick disclaimer. I am a customer of Wings. I am not affiliated by them. I am not endorsed by them. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. All these screenshots are from the Wings website, and the information is accurate as the time of the recording. So, as my buddy RJ would say, let's get to work. All right, so chalkboard. Bringing it back. Why? Because I'm a high school math teacher, and I recently did some PSAT testing. I was proctoring students, and they had a chalkboard still where I was writing the start and stop time. So today's question is, what are the only three things you can do with money? So ultimately, everything you can do with money boils down to three categories. You can either spend it, you can save it, or you can give it. So if you only spend your money, you're going to be broke. If you only save it, you're going to be greedy. If you you need to be able to give money as well in order to have proper perspective on money. That it's not just all about you. So I just wanted to share that something that is beneficial financially. Um, Interesting thing enough is the only quote by Jesus that's not in one of the Gospels is recorded by the Apostle Paul. It says it's more blessed to give than receive. So that actually is in the Bible, and it's actually a quote by Jesus. So next question is, when was the last time your bank paid you to open a checking account? I mean, to me, I talk to people on a frequent basis, and they say, you get paid to open up checking accounts? Yes, that's why this channel exists, is to show you how you can get paid to open up checking accounts, because banks need customers, and they're willing to pay customers very nicely to join. So how much money are we talking about? I have a goal of $2 million this year, $2 million goal for the year 2022. So what does that mean? I want to help at least 1,000 people make at least $2,000 in these videos in the year 2022. So if you're someone who can appreciate profitable content like this on a consistent basis, definitely would appreciate a thumbs up. And now, finally, let's get to work. So the first 50 of this offer is a referral offer. I love that Wings has the little bit.lys. It's through Refer Live. Super easy to copy that down and put it into a new tab. So when you click on that, it's going to say earn a $50 Visa reward card when you register and complete an offer below. And then here's what you need to do. First off, you need to become a member for them. Minimum balance of $5 required. Open a new checking account, high yield or first class. Enroll in e-documents, and then you need to make 5 debit card transactions, at least $5 or more. In order to catch $200, you need to make 5 debit cards of at least debit card transactions, at least $25. So you're going to spend money on life anyway. Stuff costs money, so might as well get paid back for buying stuff you're going to buy anyways. Do that, you get $50. So that's pretty sweet there. So here is what they have to offer for the end of the year. It pays to switch to Wings up to $400. Wrong, that's supposed to be $450 because you can have the referral $50 on there. And this is a sweet thing. One thing I love about this game is that it's one hand washes the other. Use my referral link, I get a little bit something out of it. You get $50 as well. So that is a sweet deal. So free checking, solid earnings, up to $400 in bonus cash. Join Wings by December 31. Open a new checking account. Earn a $200 bonus, up to $200 more with a certificate account. Click below for full requirements and disclosures. Must use promo code year-end bonus. So if this is something you're definitely interested in signing up, it's nationwide. Definitely watch the rest of this video because I show you step by step how to sign up for this and where to plug in that super important code. All right, so the $200 bonus offer. So it says you got to sign it up by December 31, 2022. Use promo code year-end bonus within 60 days. Complete these steps. Hey, John, Why did you say no direct deposit when it says clearly set up direct deposit? Establish a recurring direct deposit of $600 or more to your new checking account. Or, I love that word, or, maintain average daily balance of at least $2,000 in your account. So if you don't want to switch your direct deposit, put $2,000 in there as a average daily balance, and you get $200. So that's pretty sweet. That's a 10% bonus on putting money there. Sign up for e-documents, which is like super easy to do, and then use your Wings Visa debit card. Make 5 debit transactions of $25 or more anywhere Visa is accepted. So I'm pretty sure it stacks to where if you use the referral and you make the 5 transactions of 25, so I'm pretty sure you only need to do 5 transactions in total. Make them over $25. It'll hit both requirements. Boom, you'll get $250 just for that. All right, so there's a second thing that you can stack, and I love bonuses that can stack, which is bonus $200 for opening up a certificate of deposit. So earn a $100 bonus for depositing between $10,000 and $24,999 into a certificate account with a term of 12 or more months. Or $200 bonus if you're at $24,999, add a penny, make it $25,000 plus, and you get $200 bonus, and that is a great rate. I was looking at the rates, and at first I got a little bit disappointed. Then I was like, hey, each investment or each of these CDs, they have different ones that they're actually wanting you, they're pushing you to get. And right here is the 14-month special. This is the sweet spot here for getting a CD from them. 3.25%. You can do up to $99,999.99. That's huge. Or if you do over 100,000, hey, you get a little bit more APY. So that's huge right there. This is the best certificate rate Wings has to offer at $200 for this promo, and that makes it even sweeter. So gotta love it. This is, to be honest with you, I've been doing this collecting bank bonuses for 5 years now, and this is like the most exciting time for savings promotions. I mean, there's one on top of another on top of another. You have Ally with up to $1,000 bonus. You have SoFi, which I've taken advantage of, for $1,000 bonus. You have Citi with a personal and a business $1,000 offer. Capital One has one. I'm about to jump on the Capital One. I was doing the math on that. They bumped up their interest rate to 3%. So, and the Fed just raised their interest rates even more. So another 75 basis points. This is literally the most exciting time to, if you got money to put aside into risk-free FDIC insured certificates and stuff like that, and bank bonuses. This is awesome. That's the benefit of being debt-free. All right, so it says membership is more than joining, it's belonging. Credit unions, it's not for profit, it's for the benefit of the people. So you want to become a member. So as I said, the first $50 is a referral offer. You want to do this first before signing up. So hit this first, hit the link. I also got a link in the description box down below. And when you hit the link, it's going to say first register. I'll show you how to do that, qualify, and then hit your reward. So when you hit register, just put in your first name, last name, email address. Make sure it's the same email address you're going to sign up for. Your address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and then hit register, and then it's going to say, boom, thank you, your information has been accepted. Now your information is into their system, so you can take advantage of getting up to another, a total of $450. So then you want to go to wingsfinancial.com, and this is their landing page. Boom, wingsfinancial.com. It pays to switch to Wings up to $400. And then you want to click Join Wings. So your information's already saved. Hit Join Wings, and I'll show you how to do that. So each credit union requires $5 to become a member. You get it back when you shut down your account. I consider myself a member for life because they keep offering such amazing promotionals. And that says, how do you qualify for membership? If you don't do 1, 2, 3, it's $5 donation, which they charge $5 to become a member. You get it back when you close down your account. No big deal. So then tell us about yourself. First name, middle name, last name, birthday, address, ID number, typical stuff for signing up for a bank account. Are you subject to IRS backup withholding? I'm not. So moving on. What type of account would you want to set up? Okay, so I agree setting up as much as you can because I was able to fund $2,005 on a checking account, and it went through as a purchase. So if you have minimum spend requirement for, I believe they accept Visas and MasterCards, my go-to is the Ink Unlimited or the Freedom Unlimited. I got another one that I've been adding as a 2% card, and I'm really excited about what it's doing. So I will share that in a future video. So instead of getting 1.5%, I'm getting 2% for opening up accounts. Monthly service fees. Here's my favorite thing about them. None. Zero. Neither one of these accounts, they don't have any monthly fees. I hate when banks fee people to death. There's no reason for it. Love Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, but if you don't maintain a certain threshold, you get fees. This place doesn't have it. So my go-to cards for funding accounts are Chase Freedom Unlimited and Ink Unlimited. Easy cash back. Always make sure that before you think about signing up for a bank account and wanting to charge the initial deposit, make sure to call and just say, lower my cash advance as much as it'll go. So at least lower than what you're trying to do. So if you only fund $500, you get times 1.5% cash back. You get $7.50. I did $2,000, so I got a bonus $30 on top of that. So that'd be a total of $480 in cash back. So you got to do the $5 too for the membership. I signed up for both the first class and the high yield for 500, and then a couple of other savings accounts, money market, whatever they allowed me to do, where I was able to hit the full $2,005. So boom, total deposit accounts $2,005, and that's just easy cash back on a credit card. Why? Because I wait a week or so, transfer the money out, and pay off the credit card and keep the extra points. Here is where you put in your code. Promo code optional. Be sure to put in this code, year-end bonus. So you will get your bonus. That's the whole point of doing this, is get your bonus. And then payment, you put your card number, the CVV, card expiration. I don't know why it says there twice. I would put it in twice. So year-end bonus there as well. And then review your application. How do you qualify? I paid the $5. Verify your identity. They're going to pull 4 questions from your credit report. It does not affect your credit as far as I remember. It's just a soft pull. And then I always dread getting the question as on one of these applications, because it says, when did you open your Chase credit card? I open new Chase credit cards every year. I'm looking to open up 2 more before the end of 2022. So then they're going to have you DocuSign and membership application that say that they will get back to you. Thank you for applying. And then I got approved awful quick. So if you know how many credit or checking accounts I have, it's a lot. They approved me, so I don't see why it should be any issue for you to get approved. And if you're interested, this is a first $50 is a referral offer. Boom, hit that referral code. It's also in the description box down below. And bank account bonus central verdict. I am obviously a huge fan of Wings Financial. They're nationwide. They love giving out huge promotions on a regular basis. They love paying people to become customers. That's the whole point of this channel. This is a minimum $250 handout for minimal effort. If you don't have the $25,000 to put in there into a savings account, great. This is minimum $250. I challenge you to find a higher rate of return on FDIC insured savings account for such a high limit of deposit. And I said referral link in the description box. Today's question, who do you say that Jesus is? So that's a huge question. I mean, our whole calendar is separated between before Christ and after Christ. I mean, that's a huge, impact that Jesus made, one person. Matthew 16:13 through 16 is our scripture. It says, when Jesus came to the region of Caesarea Philippi, he questioned his disciples, who do you say the Son of Man is? They replied, some say John the Baptist, others say Elijah, still others Jeremiah or one of the prophets. Then Jesus said, what about you? Jesus asked, who do you say that I am? Then Simon Peter replied, you are the Christ, the Son of the living God. So we can ask other people their opinions about who do they think Jesus is, but ultimately, the real question is, who do you say he is? Jesus has made a huge difference in my life. He's given me new purpose. He's given me love. He's given me peace. He's given me joy, more than all the bank bonuses combined. I mean, it's an amazing thing, the difference that God's made in my life, and I want you to experience that too. It's more precious than money. It's more precious than anything under the sun, as the writer of Ecclesiastes says. So, just something I definitely want to share with you. Another thing I wanted to share is I am an affiliate for Covenant Eyes. Covenant Eyes is an amazing product. There's over 4 million pornographic websites out there full of stuff that nobody should be watching. It's just stuff that's full of lust. And the average age that somebody is exposed to it's 10. And, it's an addiction that can last for years. And this is something that helps people overcome addiction. Jesus said it's for freedom's sake that he's come to set us free. We shouldn't be in bondage to stuff, especially stuff like this. So this is something that it's on my computer that I'm recording this video on, laptop, my cell phone, my wife's cell phone. Why? Because, this is stuff that nobody should be involved in. So if this is something that would benefit you, I also have a referral link in the description box down below. I do have an affiliate link with them, which is Bank Bonus. And if you use that link when you sign up, or that code, then you'll get your free first 30 days free. See if this is something that'll benefit you. And then I still have comments turned off, but if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My email is churningadventures@gmail.com. And if you're still here with me, definitely do appreciate it. 3 things, if you haven't done so already: like the video, share this with anybody who'd be able to benefit from it, and subscribe with bell notifications, as I do make profitable content on a consistent basis. And with that, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.